Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, February 1st, and this is my recap of the top 8 videos of the day. And gold versus the dollar came in number 3 today, so I'm going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on gold, make sure to check out the video I made this morning, linked at the end of this video over here. So gold made a big push up today, completely invalidating that ABC that I was talking about this morning, which is fine because now we can definitely add some clarity to the pattern. I would say at this point that this probably is a five-way pattern up, like a wave A. This is actually one, two, three waves down, like a wave B, and most likely this is going to continue up for now for a wave C. I would expect now that this would go up and take out these highs, maybe go to the 78%, which is right around the 21, someplace between the 21 and the 2900 area, to probably finish a wave C and maybe even potentially go all the way up to the 100% Fibonacci extension of wave A. So I would actually expect this to most likely continue the uptrend. Now we do have non-farm payroll coming out tomorrow, and if this is going to make a trend reversal to the downside, that probably would be a really good time to do it. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.